Hello everyone. Today I want to show you about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a foldable smartphone that was released in August 2023. It has a 7.6-inch main display and a 6.1-inch cover display. The main display is an AMOLED display with a resolution of 1812 by 2176 pixels. The cover display is also an AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2640 pixels. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and has 12 gigabytes of RAM. It comes with 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes of storage. The phone has a triple-lens rear camera system with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor. The front-facing camera is 10 megapixel. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 runs Android 13, has a 4,400 mAh battery. It supports 25W fast charging and 10W wireless charging. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is priced starting at $1,799.99 in the US. It is available in 3 colors: Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, and Beige. Here are some of the key features of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. 7.6-inch foldable AMOLED display. 6.1-inch cover AMOLED display. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. 12 gigabytes RAM. 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes storage. Triple-lens rear camera system. 10-megapixel front-facing camera. Android 13. 4,400 mAh battery. 25W fast charging. 10W wireless charging. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a good option for users who want a powerful and versatile foldable smartphone. It has a large and immersive main display, a capable processor, and a good camera system. However, it is also a relatively expensive phone. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Pros: large and immersive main display. Powerful processor. Good camera system. S Pen support. Durable design. Cons: expensive. Foldable display can be fragile. Battery life could be better. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a good foldable smartphone with a lot to offer. However, it is important to weigh the pros and cons before making a purchase. Thank you for watching.